So viewers, days after violence broke out in Murshidabad after several Hindus were forced to flee their homes after even police officials were not spared, West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee is all set to hold a meeting with clerics and imams. The meeting is taking place at the Netaji Indoor Stadium amid the escalating protests over the amended Waqf legislation. The Chief Minister has currently reached the venue. So Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee is discussing the roadmap for the protest against the act. Mamata Banerjee's close aide Firhad Hakim had earlier said that the state administration would go to the Supreme Court to challenge the centre's decision on the Waqf law. Remember, this meeting of Mamata Banerjee with the imams comes at a time when the BJP has been criticizing Mamata Banerjee, saying the TMC has failed the Hindus of the state and has been questioning Mamata Banerjee and the TMC leaders, asking them, when will you meet the victims of the violence? Amid that criticism from the BJP, Mamata Banerjee is going to be meeting the imams, Muslim religious leaders. She will be meeting them at the Netaji Indoor Stadium in Kolkata. The meeting is just about to begin. It's going to begin shortly, and sources say that the agenda of this meeting is to decide on the roadmap against Waqf law. My colleague Tejshri is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Tejshri, it's a complete contrast. On one hand are families who have been failed by the state. There are Hindus who have been forced out of their homes. Their houses have been ransacked. Vehicles have been torched. On the other hand, we're just about looking at visuals of West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, who is meeting religious leaders. In fact, let's listen into what she's saying.
Bakiyal Mulla, Bakibila Mullao achen, Abashuddino achen, Shabir Aliyo achen, অনেকেই আছেন। আমি সবার নাম না বলতে পারলেও, কারণ 40,000 ইমামের নাম আমার পক্ষে বলা সম্ভব নয়, কিন্তু মনে রাখবেন আমি সবাইকে উদ্দেশ্য করেই বলছি।
So, Tejshri, the Chief Minister is speaking to the religious leaders, and this comes at a time when there is a lot of criticism already that she is facing. Why not extend your meeting to the victims who have been suffering because of the anti-Waqf law protest?
Moving there. Well, yes, absolutely. What we are picking up right now is that the meeting with the Maulanas and the Muslim scholars at the Indoor Stadium has begun. And in fact, this particular meeting is being chaired by none other than the Chief Minister herself of West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee. And she's speaking to the Maulanas. She's addressing the Maulanas. But interestingly, what just we saw was a leader of opposition, Suvendu Adhikari, just has reached over here at the West Bengal Assembly to celebrate the Hindu Shahid Divas. And in fact, he also targeted Mamata Banerjee for holding meeting with Maulanas. He also stated that Mamata Banerjee is just doing appeasement politics and she is felicitating the Maulanas and not paying attention so as to what has happened to the victims and the deceased of Murshidabad. They have to face exodus. So that's the statement and allegations coming in from the BJP Bengal leader of opposition, that Mamata Banerjee is doing appeasement politics. Not just that, but we have also been seeing yesterday also Mamata Banerjee and TMC had to face backlash because of this particular meeting, because BJP has been raising questions as to why no one from TMC went to Murshidabad. None of them met the family members of the deceased, the fathers and who were killed in the violence that took place in the district of Murshidabad. None of them even spoke to them on the call, and none of them in fact is not even bothered so as to what is happening to the families, how they are facing exodus, what is happening to them. Rather than asking about their condition, they are the leaders of TMC are giving bizarre statement. They are giving threatenings. They are issuing threats. They are giving threatening statements so as to. And we also heard their leaders, stating like whosoever will try to snatch the land of Waqf. And in fact, you see the cut to the visuals. The protest has begun over here. The BJP Bengal is going to begin the protest over here. Big breaking news that we are giving you right now, that the BJP Bengal has begun the protest over here. On one hand, Mamata Banerjee is holding the meeting over there with Maulanas. Here you can see that the BJP Bengal is holding a protest over here. You can see the leader of opposition, Suvendu Adhikari, heading this particular protest, and they are holding this protest against the violence that took place in Murshidabad. You can also see that they are holding placards in their hands, and also in fact he commented on Mamta Banerjee that this is an appeasement politics, and in fact they are celebrating the Hindu Shahid Divas. Remember that announcement was made that BJP Bengal will be celebrating the Hindu Shahid Divas today, and that is what is happening right now. You can see in your visuals as well that Suvendu Adhikari is holding black flags in his hand. A big drama taking place here outside the Bengal Assembly. Remember that the indoor stadium where the meeting with Maulana is taking place. At that particular venue, Mamta Banerjee is present along with all the Muslim scholars, and here is the another protest. Here is the protest taking place just in front of the Bengal Assembly. You can see other leaders are also present, and this particular issue has already been raised by the BJP West Bengal. You know that they will be protesting against Mamta Banerjee's meeting and will be celebrating Hindu Shahid Divas as well. That is why they have gathered over here to pay tribute to the father-son duo who were killed in the Murshidabad violence. So that's why, however, massive security deployment is also at place, and in fact we are showing you the exclusive visuals so as to what is happening over here outside the Bengal Assembly. Remember that the situation remains to be critical in the nearby areas of Murshidabad, and also in fact we saw that there was also violence that took place in Bhangar yesterday, and the situation went critical. But here you can see in the visuals that how Suvendu Adhikari along with other BJP members of West Bengal is holding a protest over here. Remember that this particular protest is very much significant because on one hand Mamta Banerjee is holding a meeting. We'll also show you the visuals of security deployment that's taking place. Show the visuals first that how the security is beefed up over here because of the protest that's taking place, and just few meters away we'll also show you that just few meters away there's the meeting with Maulanas that is underway with Mamta Banerjee already facing a backlash from the BJP government. We'll also show you as to what is happening over here. You can see that how they are holding placards in their hands, and also in fact showcasing the pictures of the individuals of the father-son duo who were killed in the Murshidabad violence, who had to lose their lives in the violence that took place in the district of Murshidabad. Remember that already the investigation is underway, and again we'll keep on showing the visuals because certainly remember that this come from this side. We'll show from this side that this particular protest is very much significant. Black flags, placards, posters against Mamta Banerjee, against TMC, asking questions as to what the government is doing, what the state police is doing, why the intelligence of the state was not alert. In fact, how did they not get a tip-off so as to what's happening over there if there was an intel that the members of the banned terror outfit and its associates, like PFI, was active there in the state of West Bengal, particularly in Murshidabad. So why no action was taken? In fact, that's why all these leaders have come over here. We'll also try to speak to them that why they are here. आप बताइए आप यहाँ पर किस तरह से प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं और क्या संदेश देना चाहते हैं?
देखिए पूरा मौलवादी का जो सरकार यहाँ पे मुस्लिम लीग का सरकार चल रहा है। यहाँ पे ममता बनर्जी हिंदू विरोधी का सारा एक्टिविटीज कर
अभी आप यहाँ प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं और ममता बनर्जी वहाँ सामने मुस्लिम क्लेरिक्स के साथ मीटिंग भी कर रही है।
वो सिर्फ मुस्लिम के लिए सोचते हैं। शी इज द चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ मुस्लिम्स ओनली, नॉट फॉर द हिंदू सनातनी।
You are saying she is the chief minister of Muslims.
Muslims only. She only thinks about the Muslims, and under her protection and under her instigation, all this kind of illegal activities is going on, and torture on Hindus are going on.
Today you are celebrating Hindu Shahid Divas here along with the leader of opposition Suvendu Adhikari.
Yes, because nobody is thinking. This West Bengal government is not thinking for the Hindus. Hindus are tortured, Hindus are butchered. But Mukhyamantri Mamata.
What is written on this poster? What is written and what message are you?
Divas.
Hindu Shahid Divas is what you mean to say.
In April. Hindu Shahid Divas, because these are the Hindus. They have been killed and butchered by these Islamist people, and they have not been arrested yet.
Okay, we'll speak to few more individuals. दादा किस लिए आए हैं आप और क्या संदेश देना चाह रहे हैं?
जो घटना घट रहा है पश्चिम बंगाल में, वो जो घटना का प्रतिवाद में जो मुर्शिदाबाद में हो रहा है हिंदू के ऊपर अत्याचार, ममता बनर्जी का नेतृत्व में इसी का विरोध करने के लिए इधर आया है।
उसका विरोध करने के लिए यहाँ पर आए हैं। ऑल्सो विल स्पीक टू सम मोर प्रोटेस्टर्स हु हैव गैदर्ड हियर। दादा, यहाँ पर आप प्रोटेस्ट करने के लिए आए हैं, क्या संदेश देना चाह रहे हैं? ममता बनर्जी अभी सामने मुस्लिम क्लेरिक्स के साथ मीटिंग भी कर रही है।
वो जो मीटिंग कर रहा है ना, वो तो मीटिंग करके उसको बोल दिया हिंदू निधन करने के लिए, पहले ही बोल दिया ना।
So Tetri is joining us live from the BJP protest. The BJP is observing Hindu Shahid Divas. Many of the protesters, supporters of the BJP, saying that Mamta Banerjee is not the chief minister of Hindus. She is acting like she is the chief minister only of Muslims. Let's also listen into what Mamta Banerjee is saying as she is meeting religious leaders from the Muslim community.
मीडिया को नहीं कहता, वो तो ठीक है 70-30 हो सकता है, लेकिन बाहर से लेके आया 2-3 मीडिया जिसका रुपया बीजेपी पार्टी खुद देता है, बाहर से भी उसका संपर्क है, वो आके झूठा वीडियो दिखाता है, फेक वीडियो दिखाता है। हमने पकड़ लिया, 8 वीडियो भेजा, जो 8 वीडियो कोई कर्नाटका का है, कोई उत्तर प्रदेश का है, कोई बिहार का है, कोई राजस्थान का है, और आप बंगाल का नाम पे बदनाम करते हैं। सब होना चाहिए। क्या सोचता है? আমি আপনাদের বলবো, ইমাম সাহেবরা, আপনাদের আমরা অনেক শ্রদ্ধা করি, পুরোহিতদের আমরা অনেক শ্রদ্ধা করি, আমরা সর্বধর্ম সমন্বয়ে বিশ্বাস করি, আমরা রামকৃষ্ণ পরমহংসদেবকে বিশ্বাস করি, আমি স্বামী বিবেকানন্দকে বিশ্বাস করি, আমি রবীন্দ্র নজরুলকে বিশ্বাস করি। বাংলা স্বাধীনতা আন্দোলনের জন্ম দিয়েছে, বাংলার নবজাগরণের জন্ম দিয়েছে। বাংলার মাটিতে বিজেপির কথায় উত্তেজিত হয়ে প্লিজ দয়া করে হাত জোড় করে বলছি, অশান্তি কেউ করতে চাইলে তাকে কন্ট্রোল করুন। যদি আপনাদের একটুও বিশ্বাস থাকে, যদি একটুও ভरोसा থাকে, अगर आपको कोई विश्वास मुझ पे है, मैं हर धर्म का बात करते हैं। जब आप काली टेंपल नया से बनाते हैं तब बीजेपी कहा जाता है, जब दुर्गा पूजा करते हैं वो कहते हैं हम करने नहीं देता। घर घर में सरस्वती पूजा होता है, वो कहते हैं हम नहीं करने देता। हर धर्म को श्रद्धा होना चाहिए सबको, हर धर्म का लिए श्रद्धा बनाए, यही हमारा परंपरा है। वो कौन थे जो आजादी का लड़ाई किए थे? नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस। आज तक किसी को पता नहीं हुआ उसका कहा हुआ क्या हुआ। दुख का बात है, शर्म का बात है, जिनका राइट हैंड शाहनवाज खान था। गांधी जी ने जब लड़ाई किया था, जब फ्रीडम एट मिडनाइट हो रहा था दिल्ली में, तो गांधी जी ने खुद बेलेघाटा में गांधी भवन में कलकत्ता में बैठे रहे, जैसे कोई कम्युनल राइट्स ना हो, सब शांति से रहे। वो लोग कौन थे? जब देश में आजादी का लड़ाई हुआ तो रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर ने गाना गाया, जब देश को टुकड़ा करने चाहा बांग्ला को, कि बांग्लार माटी बांग्लार जल, बांग्लार वायु बांग्लार फल, पूर्ण हो खे भगवान। और इकबाल ने कहा गया था, सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा। हर धर्म का आदमी, हर परंपरा का आदमी देश में आजादी का लड़ाई लड़े और देश में डेवलपमेंट का उसका भी हिस्सा है। वो कौन थे? अब्दुल कलाम आजाद, मौलाना अबुल कलाम आजाद। वो कौन थे? एपीजे कलाम। वो कौन थे? महात्मा गांधी जी। वो कौन थे? बाबा साहेब अम्बेडकर। वो कौन थे? नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस। ये बात सच है। कि कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में আমাদের সংবিধানের 26 ধারায় যে কোনো ধর্মের তার নিজস্ব ধর্ম পালনের স্বাধীনতা এবং সেই উদ্দেশ্যে সম্পত্তি অর্জন ও রক্ষণাবেক্ষণের অধিকার দেয়া হয়েছে। আপনি আমার অধিকার কেড়ে নিচ্ছেন, আপনি রাম রহিম সবারই অধিকার কাটছেন। এটা কি আপনার এখতিয়ারের মধ্যে পড়ে? পড়ে না। গায়ের জোর আমি এখনো চ্যালেঞ্জ করে বলছি গভর্নমেন্ট অফ ইন্ডিয়া, আপনি হোয়াই ইউ আর সো হারিড? আপনি বাংলাদেশের পরিস্থিতি জানেন? বেঙ্গল ইজ দ্য বর্ডার অফ বাংলাদেশ, নেপাল, ভুটান, শ্রীলঙ্কা। আপনি ইউনুসের সাথে গোপন মিটিং করুন, চুক্তি করুন, দেশের ভালো হলে খুশি হব, কিন্তু আপনার প্ল্যানটা কি? আপনাদের প্ল্যানিংটা কি? কোন এজেন্সির মাধ্যমে ওখান থেকে লোক নিয়ে এসে দাঙ্গা করা? কালকে আমি একটা এএনআই টুইট দেখলাম।
So you just heard the West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee as she meets the religious clerics. This is the biggest denial yet from the government, and Tejshri is joining us from the BJP protest. Tejshri, biggest denial coming in from Mamata Banerjee, the Chief Minister of the state herself. The TMC has been downplaying the plight of the victims. So imagine what the victims will be going through now. While they've been forced out of their homes, the Chief Minister of the state claims that the plight of the victims is false, that this is nothing but a BJP and a media creation.
Well, absolutely. What we heard Mamata Banerjee saying is that she was talking about some videos, and in fact she mentioned that there were fake videos that were out on social media in public, and in fact she also stated that this was a deliberate attempt to defame and destabilize the Mamata Banerjee government in the state of West Bengal. On one hand, where Mamata Banerjee is speaking and holding meetings with the Muslim clerics, Maulanas and the Imams here in West Bengal, just in front of the West Bengal Assembly, that is at the Indo Stadium. Here the protest is taking place just outside the Bengal Assembly, headed by this protest is being led by Suvendu Adhikari. We'll again show you the visuals, cut across the visuals. The placards over here are mentioning that Hindu Shahid Divas, that's the Hindu Shahid Divas that's being celebrated by the BJP West Bengal over here, where you can see that, you know, the father-son duo picture who lost their lives. And we'll also speak to the leader and take the first reaction of BJP so as to what do they have to say on Mamata Banerjee. Mamata Banerjee is saying that fake videos are being circulated over social media. Seems like she's downplaying what happened in Murshidabad.
No fake videos are there. If she says fake videos, she has her own system. She has her intelligence system. She has her IT cell. Why she is not coming out and proving this fact? This is all the fake videos. This is all the live videos. And the people are giving the statement that all these Islamic and jihadist people, they are doing.
वो कह रहे हैं कि ममता बनर्जी saying कि अगर आप मेरे पे विश्वास करते तो आप देखिए मैं दुर्गा पूजा करती हूँ, काली पूजा करती हूँ, तब बीजेपी कहाँ रहती है?
So what? BJP is also doing the Durga Pujas, but Durga Puja, by doing so, she cannot say that the Hindus are not killed. Okay. Every person's, these all the hundreds of the videos are coming up.
Okay.
So this is happening in Bengal. People are coming up in front of the cameras and they are saying if they would have told the lies, then definitely they would have been arrested by the Mamata's police. But everything is correct. Now she wants to cover up these issues. This is why she is telling lies.
Okay, so BJP is saying that Mamata Banerjee wants to downplay and corner the issues, and in fact we'll also try to move forward and speak to some more leaders who are joining the protest over here outside the West Bengal Assembly. We'll try to move forward and get a reaction from them. आज आप Hindu Shahid Divas मना रहे हैं, वहाँ पर Mamata Banerjee is holding meeting with the Muslim clerics, sending the message that fake video BJP is spreading and it's a fake propaganda.
Whatever she is saying, she is always trying to distort the facts. She is always trying to manipulate the things, and this is her nature. Since the 30 years, she always manipulates the whole incidents and the event because she just would like to, protect her own chair.
She is saying that the government wants to snatch the rights of Ram Rahim. आप लोग राम और रहीम सभी के rights को छीनना चाहते हैं.
Who said that? The government of India is doing for the Vikas for everyone, the development for everyone, the inclusive development is the motto of the present government of India. She is the only one who is only doing the appeasement.
You're saying that Mamata Banerjee is doing appeasement politics. All right. BJP claiming, BJP's allegation that Mamata Banerjee doing appeasement politics. Times Now reporting from the protest where the BJP is holding the protest outside the Delhi Assembly, outside the West Bengal Assembly. I beg your pardon. We'll also speak to a few more individuals. दादा आप यहाँ पर प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं, प्लेकार्ड लेकर, क्या संदेश देना चाह रहे हैं?
देखिए, आज हम हिंदू शहीद दिवस पालन कर रहे हैं। इधर एक ही वार्ता दे रहे हैं, जो हिंदू का ऊपर जो अत्याचार हो रहा है बंगाल में, मुर्शिदाबाद में, इसका प्रतिकार में हम लोग के राज्य सरकार को धिक्कार कर रहे हैं और इधर प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं।
ठीक है, ऑल राइट, वील ऑल्सो टेक यू फॉरवर्ड एंड शो so as to what kind of security is being deployed over here, because remember that this particular area is definitely a high alert zone, because on one hand Mamata Banerjee is holding a meeting with the chief minister, and on the other hand the protest is going on over. That's why the police is deployed over here. We'll show you the visuals from front also, so as to what kind of protest is going on over here. Remember that the father-son duo who were killed, total in fact more than 10 people have been arrested in this entire matter. Not just 10, but if we talk about the entire Murshidabad violence that took place, more than 200 individuals have been arrested, and as far as the father-son duo killing is concerned, 2 individuals have been arrested in this case, and it's also said that outsiders are involved. Dada, kya sandesh dena chahenge? What message would you like to give from today's protest? Mamata Banerjee is holding meeting saying that आप लोग गलत अफवाह फैला रहे हैं, एक नैरेटिव सेट कर रहे हैं।
वो तो जंगीवादी हर मत को वो प्राइज दे रहा है, और इधर में पूरे बंगाल में हिंदू पूरा खत्म हो रहा है, जल रहा है, घर जल रहा है और घर तोड़ दे रहा है वो जंगी आतंकवादी मुस्लिम संप्रदाय।
ममता बनर्जी मीटिंग में कह रही है कि आप लोग अपीजमेंट पॉलिटिक्स कर रहे हैं, आप लोग तब नहीं देखते जब वो हिंदुओं के लिए भी कुछ करती हैं, जब वो मीटिंग करती हैं तब। We'll also try to speak to leader of opposition, Suvendu Adhikari, who is now going inside the Bengal Assembly after the protest is complete. We'll try to speak to him.
Okay, Tejshri, just a moment. Let's listen into what Mamata Banerjee is saying.
और बाहर में और एक बात, एक दूसरा चलाकी नहीं चलेगा। डबल इंजन गवर्नमेंट, डबल इंजन सरकार, आपको तो शर्म होना चाहिए। आप क्या कुछ बोलते और क्या नहीं करते, क्यों को टाइम में बोलते हम सबका साथ सबका विकास चाहते हैं, और चुनाव चलने का बाद आपको नेता लोग कहते हैं हम सबका साथ नहीं रहेगा, हम जो हमको वोट देगा हम उसका साथ रहेगा। क्या चालाकी है? यही करके आप वोटर लिस्ट से शुरू करके क्यों माथा गरम करবেন না? প্লিজ বি কোয়াইট। আমার কথাগুলো আমায় বলতে দিন, আপনাদের আমি আবার বলি, ইন্টেনশন আমার নামে জিন্দাবাদ দিয়ে দরকার নেই, ভারতীয় সংবিধানের নামে জিন্দাবাদ দিন। আম্বেদকর জিন্দাবাদ বলুন, মৌলানা আবুল কালাম আজাদ জিন্দাবাদ বলুন, যারা গান্ধীজি জিন্দাবাদ বলুন, সুভাষবাদ, গান্ধীবাদ, মৌলানাবাদ, আম্বেদকরবাদ জিন্দাবাদ বলুন। স্বামীজিকে শ্রদ্ধা করুন, রামকৃষ্ণকে করুন, যারা দেশের সব কিছুকে হিত হওয়ার কথা বলেছিলেন।
So the question is, are these the priorities of the state government? The chief minister is meeting the religious leaders, and instead of ensuring that the violence ends in the name of the anti-Waqf law protest, the chief minister has denied the plight of the victims, saying that the plight of victims are not true, that these are some fake videos that are being showed by the media, and it's a BJP narrative. We're keeping a track of the developments in West Bengal. Quick break, we'll be right back.